My garden. I have a small garden in front of my house. It has many flowers, plants, and green grass. I water the plants every morning and help my mother take care of them. There are colorful flowers like roses, marigolds, and sunflowers in my garden. I love to sit in the garden and enjoy the fresh air. Sometimes, I play with my friends and pets in the garden. Butterflies and birds come to the garden, which makes it more beautiful. My garden is a peaceful place where I can think and relax. I plant new seeds and watch them grow every week. I feel happy and proud of my lovely garden.